To set up Trust Wallet and import a wallet, start by downloading the Trust Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and click on the option to import a wallet. You will be asked to choose the type of wallet you want to import, such as a mnemonic phrase or a private key. If you have a mnemonic phrase, select that option and enter the 12-word phrase in the correct order, making sure to separate each word with a space. If you are using a private key, select that option and enter the key. Be cautious when handling private keys as they provide full access to your wallet. After entering your mnemonic phrase or private key, create a new password for your Trust Wallet account. This password will be used to secure your wallet and protect your funds. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before, and make sure to store it in a safe place. You will also be asked to create a PIN code for an additional layer of security. Once you have set up your password and PIN code, your wallet will be imported and you will be able to view your account balance and transaction history. It is essential to keep your mnemonic phrase or private key safe, as losing them may result in losing access to your wallet and funds. Best practice is to store your mnemonic phrase in a secure location, such as a safe or a locked cabinet, and to never share it with anyone. By following these steps, you can securely import your wallet into Trust Wallet and start managing your cryptocurrency funds.